Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Majungasaurus from Jurassic World. But I've accidentally cut the strings. Just put it here. Okay, so first of all, need to wipe it. Okay, and on the box it says you have to move the tail left and right to make it roar, and the tail up and down to make it roar too. Really? Okay, so this is up. And down. Left. Right. Okay, so here, the mouth can open. The arms are really short, but can also move. Legs can also move. But that was on the box. Okay, so I'm going to do a size comparison with my Tarbosaurus over here. Okay, please check out my other video on the Tarbosaurus to know more about it. And also check my other videos on dinosaur unboxing. And okay, now before I just quickly exit, please remember to stay safe at home and always sanitize. Okay, and that'll be all for today. Bye.